Hi everyone, I'm Chen Yang. Today I will talk about the impactful case of the 1976 Seveso chemical factory explosion. This disaster not only had significant environmental and health impact, but also lead to major change in industrial safety regulations. Here's the table of contents. The objective of today are to analyze and present the impacts of the Seveso disaster using graphical data, understanding its environmental consequences, and discuss the implication of chemical exposure. On July 10, 1976, a small chemical manufacturing plant in Seveso, Italy, released a toxic cloud containing a high concentration of TCDD, a type of dioxin. This indicates this incident became one of the most known cases of industrial accidents affecting residential areas. In Table 1, it shows how many people get influenced. The most population get influenced is at Casino Mandarino. In the Figure 1 and 2, which illustrates the toxic cloud containing dioxin TCDD influenced areas. As you can see, the exposure level are categorized into zone based on TCDD concentration in the soil, ranging from Zone A, which had the highest concentration, to non-ABR area cannot detect TCDD. In Zone A, we had the highest rating, where the TCDD level ranged from 15.5 to an alarming 5,477 microgram per square meter. I will walk you through a detailed timeline, starting from the day of the explosion. At the July 10, 1976, the explosion of the TTDD started. In July 11, 1976, people found the plant got damaged in the exposed areas. In July 13, 1976, people got the first report of animal death. In July 14, 1976, people found the first skin inflammation occur on children. In July 15, 1976, people are starting to discuss about evacuation. In July 23, 1976, the officials are denied the necessary of health measuring. In July 24, 1976, the government announced to evacuate. In July 26, 1976, the evacuation began. At August 2, 1976, the evacuation of Zone A are finished. In January 1977, the government finished the action plan for cleanup. In June 1987, the government increased the special loan for cleanup from 40 billion lari to 115 billion lari. At April 1984, the government completed the cleanup of Zone A. As we can clearly see, there is a time gap between the explosion and the evacuation, which shows the importance of protective measures of residential near the factory and quick response mechanisms. The immediate effects including widespread death of animals and plants, significant soil contamination, and long-term health issues for exposed population. The Table 2 and Figure 3 are the detailed data on the land contamination in hectares across the affected zone. The pie chart and the table vivid illustrates the environmental impacts of the Seveso disaster, specifically through the lens of the soil contamination across different zones. Zone A, the most affected, constitutes 6% of the contaminated land, where the soil bore the highest level of toxin. To summarize, the Seveso disasters not only caused immediate environmental and health damage, but also influence environmental policy and industrial safety standards worldwide. It highlights the importance of stringent safety measures and quick response mechanism. Here are my references. Thank you for watching.